Are you tired of your drill bits getting dull too quickly or struggling to make clean cuts in wood? Well, today, we've got the ultimate guide to the best wood drill bits that will take your projects to the next level. We've handpicked the top performers, so stay tuned, and we'll have the links to these game changers in the description box below. Let's drill down to the details. Comoware Drill Bit Set. Elevate your drilling game with the Comoware Drill Bit Set, featuring a classic high-speed steel HSS construction with a titanium coating. These bits offer unbeatable capability and durability. With a precise 135 degrees split point, gold oxide finish, and staggered cutting teeth, they prevent walking and deliver clean, precise holes. The two-flute design clears chips and debris efficiently, ensuring a faster, cooler drilling process. This set includes a whopping 230 pieces, from 3/64 to 1/2, making it the perfect choice for DIY projects and household maintenance. Stay organized with the included drill bit holder for easy storage and access. Dewalt Drill Bit Set. Experience precision drilling with the Dewalt Drill Bit Set. Crafted from high-speed steel, these bits are designed for plastic, wood, and metal, making them incredibly versatile. The 135-degree split-point tip reduces walking and ensures accurate holes. The tapered web design guarantees extreme durability and resistance to breakage. A black and gold coating protects against rust and wear, while the 3-flat shank minimizes spin-out in the chuck. Size markings on the drill bit shank allow for quick identification. This 14-piece set is your go-to solution for various drilling needs, ensuring you have the right tool for the job. Irwin Drill Bit Set. Get the job done efficiently with the Irwin Drill Bit Set, designed for wood. Featuring 3 cutting spurs, these bits provide faster, cleaner holes, reduce breakout, and have an extended drilling life. The full screw point tip allows the bit to self-feed, making drilling a breeze. With a shorter overall length, they're perfect for tight spaces, ideal for holes up to 2 deep. The 1/4 quick change shank reduces slipping in standard chucks and is compatible with all 1/4 quick change chucks, including impact drills. If you need reliable, high-performance wood drilling, this 6-piece set is your trusted companion. Workpro Drill Bit Set. Take your drilling tasks to the next level with the Workpro Drill Bit Set. This 9-piece collection includes commonly used sizes, ensuring it meets your daily needs. Crafted from high-speed steel, HSS, with titanium plating, these bits offer high hardness and durability. The 135 degrees split-point tip allows for fast cutting, and the firm structure guarantees long-lasting performance. Designed with a 1/4 hex shank, they are compatible with power screwdrivers, impact drivers, and other tools, offering quick and easy changes. These bits are suitable for various materials, including wood, steel, metal, and PVC, making them a versatile choice for any DIY enthusiast. Amoolo Drill Bit Set. Unlock the potential of your drill with the Amoolo Drill Bit Set. This collection includes 13 premium 4341 HS titanium impact hex drill bits, plus Brie Extra for good measure. The hex shank design ensures a quick change, so you can tackle your projects with ease. These bits are built for versatility, making them suitable for wood, steel, metal, and plastic. The 135-degree cutting angle delivers precision drilling, while the durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, this set has you covered with a range of sizes from 1/16 to 1/4. Thanks for joining us on this journey to discover the best wood drill bits. Now, go out there and create woodworking masterpieces with confidence.